I'm standing here with Karl Shulman. He is from Garret's Rod Shop. Now, Garret, your dad has had the shop for what, 20 years?
20 years next year. Yeah, we've been in business for that long.
Amazing. Now, this car right behind us, the 66 Charger, has a really unique story to it. Tell us about it.
Yes, the owners actually owned it originally. They passed it down through family generation. The car was actually stolen at one time and recovered, and then they got it back, and then they brought it to us to make it into this creation.
All right, give us the specs on it.
Well, it's got an Arrington 440 Hemi, rerunning on E85 with a Kenny Bell supercharger, almost 700 horsepower of the rear wheels, Art Morrison chassis, Ride Tech suspension, recovery room interior, EVOD one-off wheels that are really special, and just an amazing car for our shop to have done.
Another little cool tidbit is that you guys have been working with Ron Francis for close to 20 years, correct?
Correct, 20 years. You guys are our neighbors. We're in Columbus, Ohio. You're in Pennsylvania, so we only use the best.
All right, well, there you have it. Thanks so much, and congratulations on your build.
Thank you.